Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today we're going to take a look at this product. It's original art by you. It's a foil stamp pen set. Okay? So, we're going to take a look. It says it's for ages 6 and above. It's a class 1 LED product and it requires 2 AA batteries that are not included. So here we go. Let's take a look at what is inside. You get 6 foil sheets, 1 foil stamp pen, 5 envelopes, 5 art papers, and instructions. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's take a look. Now we're going to review this based on, our standard set. Does it do what it says it's going to do? How easy is it to work? And is it worth the money? Let's put the box out of the way. All right, so let's take a look. So this is the pen. It's very lightweight. Here is your foil sheets and envelopes and paper and instructions. All comes in this little plastic thing. Probably could have saved on some packaging here. All right, so let's open this up and get out the instructions. So this is the paper. It's kind of glossy. I don't know if that's going to be, like if that's necessary. We'll find out. All right. Adult supervision is required. Pen tip will be hot when the unit is turned on. Do not touch it and allow it to cool after use. Always make sure the pen is off. How to foil. Lay out your tools and set up your work area. Plan out the design you want to foil on your paper and envelopes. Press and hold the button on your pen to turn it on. Do not stop pressing the pen as you use it. So you have to press it the whole time. Lay the foil on top of the item you want to apply it to. Press down and draw with the pen on top of the foil. Vary the pressure and surface hardness to change the width of the foil. Gently lift up the foil from the paper to reveal your design. Play around with different foils. For a unique look, please release the button to turn off. That is all of the instructions. So let's see. All right, so you unscrew this and put in 2 AA batteries. Let's get 2 out. We don't need that anymore. And according to the little thing on the side, they go this way. Okay. All right, so the little button is way up here at the front. We'll get out a foil sheet. Let's take a look at these. Okay, so the envelopes are regular paper. Let's start with that. The envelopes are regular paper, so I don't think you need to have the shiny paper. You have a blue sheet of foil, silver sheet of foil, and a gold sheet of foil. Is that it? That's all I got? Nope. 2 silver, 1 gold, and a blue. Okay, so one's like a shiny silver and the other one's like a matte silver, like a holographic. Okay. So let's start with the gold. We'll use the paper that they give us. I'm just going to fold the paper in half for now because it's kind of big. All right. We're going to put this on here. And we're going to pick up our pen. We're going to turn it on. I'm waiting for the little red light to tell me that it's hot. All right, let's just try to Okay, so a little bit came off. So we'll wait a few seconds longer and see if it gets, you know, a little hotter. And we'll try that again. Well, some of it is coming off. So it's not exactly hot. There we go. Now, got a good red light. All right. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds. And we're going to try this again. It really works. Okay, let's try it on some regular paper. Let's see what that looks like. Now, I have noticed that the foil paper does move, so you may want to tape it down. So we're going to try this one, and I'm going to hold it down longer because it said if you hold it down longer, you get a fatter line. There we go. Yeah. It does work. It does come off. All right, let's see. Yeah, works pretty good. Okay. The button is a little temperamental, and it is a little bit far forward on the piece. But, you know, it does work. All right, I'm going to get this out of the way, and I'll be back, and we'll do, you know, our standard 5 points on this one, see where we're at, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so, does it do what it says? It absolutely does. It's a 5. Ease of use, how complicated is it? Well, I mean, the button has an issue, you know, but other than that, it's pretty easy. Let's give it a 4. Value, is it worth the money? I picked this up at Five Below. It's $5. Is it worth the money? You betcha. $5. I'm sure that if you printed out a design that you wanted to use, you know, like they show the leaves here. I'm sure if you printed out something like this and you taped it down over the foil, you could probably get it to work just fine. But I would use like tracing paper or something very light. The other option would be to draw the image that you want onto the foil before you put it on. But yeah, I see that it works pretty good. Overall, we're going to give this one a 4.66. So yeah, almost a perfect 5 on this one, guys. It's a great one for the money. Very inexpensive if you're somebody that, you know, uses it once in a blue moon. Maybe because you just want to write something nice, or maybe you want to use it to address an envelope or something, for a Happy Mail, this is a great product to do that with. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I do go live Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And I post videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and any other time I really feel like it. I have 2 things going on in 2022. The first of which is some free classes that I'm offering. You can get information on those by making sure that when you ring that bell that you select the all notifications, and that way you find out as soon as those videos get posted. The second thing I have is my 12 of 22 journal challenge, and if you would like more information on that, just go to the description box below and click on the link, which is going to take you over to a little slideshow, give you all the information that you need to know. That's it. That's all I have. Until the next time, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.